Hello guys, let's get started with Python. First of all, go to the Python website and download the latest version and install on your computer. You can do it for Windows, Mac, and they also have other platforms. Next step is to open your command line prompt and let's create a new folder starting Python. Then go to that folder. And that's it, there will be nothing there. Next step is to open that folder using an IDE. I'm using Visual Studio Code, but you can use any other else. Open folder, find your folder, starting Python. That's it. Next, let's create a new file. It's gonna be main.py. I'm gonna simply print hello Marcio. Okay, then we can go to the command line again and say Python main.py, and then I can see hello Marcio. A more interesting thing to do is to create a dynamic program. Let's import sys. We're going to read from the command line. I'm gonna create a message variable hello and then a parameter. Next step is I'm gonna print that message, but before I'm gonna format it. So that's gonna be sys argv, and that's gonna be the first parameter. Okay, then I'm gonna run my code again, and now I am going to pass a parameter, Python main.py and Marcio Marinho. I'm gonna pass everything together. So hello Marcio Marinho. That's it.